Okay, kita teruskan ke task ketiga, which is RESTful API using Python Flash module. Jadi we need to create a virtual environment and activate it. First of all, we need to install the Flash and PyMongo modules first. So from the Flash app Python file, we need to import and call the function accordingly that are created in the GPIO's MongoDB module in task 2. So we have to develop a RESTful API to perform 4 HTTP methods, which get, post, put, and patch, and delete. And then also we have to test the RESTful API using the VS Code, which is in Thunder Client extension. So for Thunder Client, I already installed it right here. You can install it at extension. Just type Thunder Client, and then we can install it right here. So basically I already installed it right here. So yeah, this one. So back to the question. First of all, we need to install the Flash first. So we can click the link right here, and then go to installation part. So basically right here there is a create environment. We can create project folder, which name is .venv folder. So for Windows, this is the code. So firstly we need to open CMD first. CMD. So we just copy this code. So I want to open it at previous file, which is MNP2. And then we can create our new name in MNP folder. So the file I put it as task3, and I already do the file, so I just use the previous file that I used, and then open it as a the file right here, py-3-mvenv.venv. Copy and then paste in our terminal, and then just enter. And then back to the Flash web site and scroll a bit down. Right here we can activate the environment using the Windows. If you use Mac OS, you can click right here. Code is different, so I use Windows. Just copy right here and then paste it and then enter. So there is the name right here, change to .venv. We add .venv for our server. And then lastly we can install the Flash right here. Just copy the code right, and then paste and then enter. So as you can see right here, my laptop already have the file because I already installed it. So you can see right here we have a Flash in file, linker, click, it's dangerous, ninja, and so on. So back to the question. We already installed the Flask and PyMongo modules, and then we have to call the function continually and create in the GPIO MongoDB. So right here I already create the GPIO MongoDB file, and then it's settled. And actually we can test our server using the code that we can get from website Flask right here. Okay, start. Okay, kita lupa. So we can test the server using this code from website Flask. So we just copy this one, copy, and then back. In the terminal you can open the code using just type CODE spacing and dot, and then you will directly continue to VS Code. So first you have to add new file which name is app.py, and then you paste what you copy from Flask website to test is it our server is already online or not. So like this. And then just run the code. So basically there is no error, so that's mean our code is good. And then back to the CMD, we have to run the Flask from here, because we just want to test the server, right? So back to CMD and then run Flask. We use the debug mode from the website right here. You just copy Flask minus app hello run and minus debug, just copy and then paste it in CMD and just paste. So right there we can see that Flask run help for help. We just need to there you go. So kita perlu letak code which is just type Flask run minus debug and then just enter. So there you are, we have the server to try the Flask. So just copy and then just paste it at Google. There you go. You can see that our Flask is activate right here from what we copy from the website Flask. We want to test the hello world, so we can see right here hello world. So that means our flask is good and ready to start. And then we leave the CMD and also the website that we test the flask. Go to VS Code, and then back to the question. What the question one is: develop a RESTful API to perform 4 HTTP methods, which is get, post, put, patch, and delete. So we have to test all those things in VS Code using Tiny Client that we just installed from the extension in VS Code. So first of all, after we create the GPI ohms MongoDB PY, so basically this code we can get from yourself.net, which is where is it? Right here, item MongoDB table of content, and then we can see, scroll below, and then we can see etc right here. Just click the link, and then you can see sample function based MongoDB GPI ohms, and then you just click here. Then there is a picture of that code that I just get from yourself.net that I paste directly to the VS Code. So yeah, we need to use this library to run our code. So just copy this and then paste to the VS Code Then I already post it right here. So what we have to do first is get. We have to develop get first. So we just copy this code, and then paste it right here to test get develop. So right here I use the previous code that I done everything. So for get, we just need delete all GPIOs, so rest of them we just delete it. And also right here request. So yeah, the code is import the all GPIOs because we want to get all the data from database. So after that, we go to the Tiny Client and then click new request. As you can see, there is here we have get, post, put, and delete. So first we use get first. Because we want to test the get develop first, and then right here we have to change the link actually based on our server. So back to our test server right here that we test the flask, we just copy the full link, copy, and then we paste right here. There you go. And then what we have to add is and then what we have to add is we need to add some of after we paste it, actually there is something that we need to write back from the link right here. So we go to API back and then just copy our app root right here, and then just paste it right here. Okay, and then we can actually test our get develop. So just send. So there you go. We can see right here, this is our data from our database, MongoDB database. We have 1 2 3 4 5 data right here. So how to check is it correct or not, referring to our database MongoDB? We just need to open our database MongoDB right here, and then connect with our server MNP2, and then just refresh it. So you can see right here we have 4 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 data right here. Same goes to our VS Code right here, 1 2 3 4 5. So that is for get. And then we continue also with get, but this time we use get to read only one ID. We can choose which ID that we want to show in our Thunder client. So back to our code right here, we just copy this one and then paste it right here at the app. So but we need to add what I forgot, read GPIO. Read GPIO. Okay, after we add the GPIO, and then also we change a bit of the code right here. And then if you want to see is it is no error or not, you just can run the code right here and then see at the terminal. If there is no error, the terminal will just show like this. So basically right here there is no error with my code. And then we go back to our Thunder client. The difference between the previous one is we ask for all the data GPIOs from our database, right? So this one we just want to found the so this one we just want but okay, but for this we just want some data, not all the data. So we can add somewhere right here. If we want to show the data ID number 3, just put number 3 right here and then just send it. So basically there is where I think because of this. Yeah, there you go. So right here we can see that our Thunder client is show our database name ID number 3. And then back to the question. For get already done, and then we go to post. For post, we have also to copy the code right here. Copy and then just paste right here. And also we need to add read GPIO. No, read GPIO the previous one. Create GPIO. Post. Create GPIO. And then we have to add request right here. Request. So as usual, if you want to know is there any error with the code, just run it and the terminal will show. And so right here there is no error, so just continue to our tanda client, and don't forget to change it to post right here. And then we go to body, just copy all the code right here and then paste. And we don't need any ID right here, just normal one. So we delete this one ID and then save and then just run. So there you go. What you can see is there is no error, and what I choose right here, the words is victory. So that's mean our tanda client is accept and change the code. And we can check it actually at our MongoDB. Just there you go. Akan ada penambahan satu lagi data, which is ID number 6 selepas kita create our data in VS Code right here. So we settle up with post, and then after that we will go to put and patch. Just copy this one and then go to APY and then just paste and save. And the thing is, you have to add some of the words right here, which is, I don't remember it, update GPIO. Yeah, we need to update GPIO state. There you go. After that we can, as usual, run. If there are any error, the terminal will show. So basically there is no error, and just continue to our tanda client. The thing is, we have to delete GPIO and also name, because of put and patch is for update the GPIO state only. So I put the words mantap right here. So if the data is already changed dan berjaya diubah, jadi dekat tanda client ni akan berubah jadi mantap right here. So we just send it. I just forgot which. Oh, okay. Don't forget to change it to put right here, and then just send it. I think right here is the error. Okay, no. Wait, I think. and then we send. Okay, so basically there is an error, I think, because I forgot to put this one. So I want to delete the data number ID number 6, so I just put it 6 right here. If you want to delete another data, we just change the number ID right here, 3 or 4. So I just want to delete number 6, and then we just send it. So basically there is no error and the process is successful. Mantap right here. So we can check it at MongoDB. Just refresh, and then we can see right here our state change to object, and the state is number 1. And then the last one is delete. Just copy this, copy, and back to APY, and then save, and as usual run it. No error. Go to tanda client, and we doesn't need a body. Back to the query, and then just delete. And then if you want to delete the number 6, I want to delete the number 6, so I just put ID number 6 right here. If you want to delete another one, just put whatever you want. So just send. Just send. Oh, there is error. Oh, I think I forgot to add right here. Yeah, delete GPIO. Am I right? Delete GPIO, I forgot. Run again, no error, and back to our tanda client. Just okay right. So basically there is berjaya kita delete, sebab dah keluar kita punya ni, return padu. Ya, jangan lupa padu ya. So how to check is it already delete or not? Just go to our MongoDB database, just refresh it and look for number 6. So basically it's gone. If you want to delete also ID number 7 and 8, just put it number 7, just send, and then we check it. Then number 7 is gone. If you want to delete number 8 also can. Just put it number 8, send, and then open database, just fine, and then the number 8 is gone. So back to the question, I think I already answer all the question, which is the most important thing is develop RESTful API to perform 4 HTTP methods: get, post, put, patch, and delete. And also I already test the RESTful API using the VS Code, which is tanda client extension. So yeah, I think that's all from me for task 3, and thank you so much.